This literature kit on Ramona Quimby, age 8, by Beverly Cleary, allows educators to start their unit on this novel right away, with ready-made questions and writing activities. 55 pages chocked full of before-you-read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Replace vocabulary words with their synonyms to complete the sentences. Match characters to their descriptions. Evaluate the concept of consequences by brainstorming some other outcomes to Ramona's behavior. Describe a time when an uncomfortable conversation was necessary in order to clear the air. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as recording stages of a favorite science experiment in 3 stages. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Create a story star maker detailing the who, what, where, when, why, and how of the story. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.